Hey everyone again, it's Tommy from Merchant Words. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use our ASIN Plus tool to kind of find out what your competition is doing, looking under the hood of their car, see if they're using any turbo boosters or anything like that, right? So what you want to do is type your competitor's ASIN in the search bar and go ahead and click search. And then, boom, you have all the keywords that they are ranking for. So say you were selling an apple slicer, but you were maybe down the ranks on the bottom of page 1 or on page 2, page 3, something worse than that. You would want to see what the number one competitor is doing in your space. So this is the number one guy for apple slicer, and I wanted to see what he's doing. So he is ranking for maybe some keywords that I'm not ranking for. Maybe I want to put these keywords that he's driving some sales from into the beginning of my title to start testing. Maybe that will help me move up the ranks. And you can see here all of his keywords and keyword phrases that he is ranking for and that Amazon is making him relevant for. He, in fact, has over 1,800 search terms that he has found on page 1 for. That is really, really good. I think the last one that I had in the other video was showing, I think, around 500, which is still good. But this guy's killing it right here. So he has over 1,800 ways for a buyer to get back to his product to potentially buy it. That's really good coverage. Same information here. You could see their star rating, total number of reviews, if they have the best sellers badge. You can see maybe if they have the Amazon's Choice badge for any of these keywords. Maybe go ahead and strive to try and get the the Amazon's Choice badge for that. That also has to do with some things in the back end of Amazon's algorithm compared to your metrics. So they will be the one to say if you are Amazon's Choice or not. But some PPC could help that out. And then, like I explained in the other video, this is their search rank. So they're in position 1 on page 1 for apple slicer, which means they're driving a lot of sales from that keyword phrase. And again, here, reviews on the page, about over 20,000. It's really competitive, about 1,000 products showing up on page 1 for that keyword as well. And this is the best way to go about to try and find out how to get a leg up on your competition. See what they're doing. You don't always have to reinvent the wheel. Just see what they're doing, and then add to your campaigns, add these keywords into your listings, and get some more coverage, get some more search terms that you will be found for, and you can get a leg up on your competition this way. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at hello@merchantwords.com, and we are happy to answer any questions you may have regarding these tools or anything else. We're going to have some more videos coming up here for you guys, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this one. And again, stay awesome, be awesome. Thanks.